everybody's howling in Casper City. We're doing this every night at 8 o'clock, exactly 8 o'clock. All people in Casper City are howling to show our support to the frontliners. Because what they're doing is not easy. So this is a cheer, like a cheer for the frontliners. Oh, woo, 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 woo. Come on, children, start howling now. Woo, 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 woo. Come on, everybody howl. Howl for the frontliners. Woo, 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 woo. That's a different one. I'll give you woo. I'll give you woo. Okay. That's too close. Sounds like a wolf, right? Woo! I got goosebumps. Woo! See, even the dogs are participating too. Wow, look at that. Woo! 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 Can you hear the whole city? Woo! Woo! See, everybody's participating in this howling. The whole city is participating. Look at that. So amazing. I'll give you Are you done howling? Yeah. Okay, for the final round. One, two, three. Oh! That's a good one. All right. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi. Please like and subscribe.
Like this? Like? Okay.
Like and subscribe.
All right. That